Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country or region on iPhone. So if you want to change country or region on your iPhone, here's a quick tip on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings on your phone. Once you open it, then scroll down and tap on general. From general, scroll down a little, then tap on language and region. From here you can set your country from any part of the world that you find yourself. So once you do that, then close it and go back to your Apple Store. So from there, tap on the name icon, then scroll down a little bit, then tap on your profile. Your profile name on your Apple ID. Then from here, input your password or your Face ID in the video. To the password tab bar. Then just type in your password. Then type in and sign in, or you use your Face ID to log on to your Apple ID settings. And this is the in-app settings, where you can also change some features right here. Now under this country and religion, you can tap on it and change it to any country of your choice, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.